This is a scrapbook album that I completed for a customer with a walkthrough. Okay, the middle screw on this album has been misthreaded, so I'm going to show you how to open it and fix that. So we've removed the other two, and so my husband's helping me here, and after he attempts it a few times and realizes that even brute force is not going to make a difference, we're going to show you what to do. So he uses the standard end, then he uses the Phillips end, and then he finally realizes, okay, let me show you what we got to do. So you have to open it from both ends at the same time, and we get a second screwdriver here in a minute. And this is a custom scrapbook album that I'm doing for a customer in my Etsy shop. So you can find me on Etsy at marketsofsunshine.store. And I do custom scrapbook albums of weddings, baby showers, graduation, anniversaries, retirement, things like that. Okay, so we removed the top and the bottom screw. So now, okay, so here we are in the next step of how to remove this. So this is the front of the album. So you see here I have the screwdriver, I'm holding it in the middle screw in the front. He's opened it up to the back. So it does take two people to do this. If you could do it by yourself, but it would be really difficult. And now I'm just holding a little bit of pressure, and he is able to put the pressure he needs and turn it from the back. And then it comes right off, and then I have to reassemble the book. So it's just a little bit of an extra step. That isn't one you want to do, but when you have to do it, you have to do it. So now I have to remove the whole thing, take the other two screws out from the front. So the back screws are the longer ones, the front are the shorter ones. Okay, so here we are now, and I'm going to be removing and adding these extra clear pockets. So putting the cardboard piece back in the back first. If you have enough pages, then you can remove, there's two strips of the cardboard, you can remove one strip, but these are important pieces to be in the album, otherwise the pages just are very loose and the album doesn't move properly and it doesn't look good. So you definitely, when you reassemble it, make sure you put at least one piece back depending on how many pages. So as I go along, it's going to get thicker and thicker and thicker. And again, this is where you're going to need two people because you're going to keep needing to push the pages over the little tops of the screw so that you can get all of the pages back on. So I added, I believe, 5 pages of the clear pockets, and they're just like to hold a 4x6 photo. And then these are the pages that came with the album. I think there's 10. 10 of the clear, large single pocket pages that are 12 by 12 that come with the size album. And so then it's just a matter of, and making sure, of course, you don't want to, don't move your pages around or move it around. I have this already decorated and assembled, so it's by the month, so you wouldn't want to have your pages out of order. And so when the customer receives it, then it's all good to go. And then you can see the two pieces of cardboard here in the front that I have now removed. And then now we're going to put the screws back in, but you're going to have two people again. I just put them in there, get them going, but you're going to have to hold the screwdriver in the front and then tighten it from the back. So we get it to get to a certain point, but then what happens is they just start spinning and spinning and spinning. And so that's where you definitely have to have the two people, and for this project, you don't want to try to do it yourself or you'll be a very unhappy camper. And we want a happy customer, right? Yes. Okay. back over. And then I'm double checking and making sure after we get it, okay, let's see, yeah, I do it here. Making sure that I had the pages the right way. I said, oh my goodness gracious. I said, if I didn't get that the right way, I'm going to have a heart attack. So several of the pages, these were given to me by the customer. She sent them to me. And so most of them are loaded this direction. And this one, I'm like, wait a minute, what happened? And so as you can see, the white strip is going in a different direction. Now it is going vertical instead of horizontal, so it opens from the side and not the top. So now here we are. And this is where the two-man operation comes in, two-person operation comes in. And you want to have the screwdriver in the back and the screwdriver in the front. So here I am again. Holding it and then moving the screwdriver up in the middle. And then I'm holding it on the other side, which you can't see, but you're seeing him. There, you can see me a little bit there. Okay. And voila. And then just make sure you fold these little cardboard pieces back down. Going through it again, making sure I have everything the way I wanted it, looking good. And I used a paper pack from, oh, I don't know why. Let me think now. I'll have to go look on it again. I'll post it here in a minute. I can't remember what was the name of the paper pack. And they wanted elephants, something with elephants. It's a baby girl, so obviously the traditional pink. Putting the last page in. So this album took me a little longer to put together because of my recent health issue, but I was feeling better yesterday, so I finally finished that. And then today my husband helped me as well. So now I can ship this off to my customer. I'm so happy. She's happy. Fold that little cardboard piece down, fold that over, go back to the front, fold that piece down, and ta-da! We are done.